Okay, so in this particular question, we are given the value of matrix A and we have to find A transpose into A in first case, and in second case we have to find A into A transpose, right? So first of all, let us write down what is A transpose. Now transpose, we know, is what? Is again a matrix in which the elements of row of A become the elements of the column of A transpose, right? So the first row will become first column and second row will become second column. This particular matrix is called A transpose. Now, if I have to calculate what is A transpose into A, it will look like some matrix 2 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 2 multiplied with another matrix of order 2 cross 3 2 1 minus 1 with 0 1 minus 2, right? So first of all, let us look at the order of these matrices. First matrix is of the order 3 cross 2. It has 3 rows and 2 columns, and the second matrix is of the order 2 cross 3. Now first of all, since the number of columns of first is same as number of rows of second, we can multiply these two matrices. Also, what will be the order of the final matrix? The order of the final matrix is this 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3. Right? So now the only thing we need to do is find the elements of this matrix. Okay, so what we do in multiplication, we take one row and multiply it with one column, right? Always tilt the row in the form of column, right? So 2 will get correspondence with 2 and 0 will get correspondence with 0. So what will be your result? Your result will be 2 into 2 plus 0 into 0, which is 0. This should be at the place what? First row, first column. This is that position. First row, first column, right? Let us find element of first row, second column. So first row, second column. Let us multiply these two quantities. So 2 has correspondence with 1 and 0 has correspondence with 1. So your result will be 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1. The result will be 2, right? Similarly, let us multiply first row with third column, right? So 2 will be multiplied in minus 1 and 0 will be multiplied in minus 2, and when we add these two quantities we will again get minus 2. Okay, now let us move on to second row. So second row will be again multiplied with first column. So now what will be the result? The result will be again 2. Let us take second row and second column. So now result will be 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. The total is 2. Let us take second row and third column. So the result will be 1 into minus 1, and 1 into minus 2, minus 2. When we add these two quantities, we will get minus 3. Let us move on. Let us take third row. So third row into first column. The element which we will get should be at third row, first column. Okay. So let's multiply the corresponding elements. Minus 1 will be multiplied with 2 and minus 2 will be multiplied with 0. So this quantity becomes 0. So minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 is our element. Let us multiply the third row with second column. So this time what will you get? You will get minus 1, minus 2, total minus 3, right? What else? Let us multiply last row with last column. You should get your last element. So this will give you 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4, that is 5, right? So this is your final answer. Just write this element also. This element is what? This element is 4. This is your final answer. So now check the order of the matrix. The order of the matrix is 3 cross 3, right? Now let us proceed and try to solve the second part. The second part is we have to find A into A transpose, right? So let us just write the reverse of this. A is what? A is 2 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 2. This is A. And what is A transpose? A transpose is 2 1 minus 1 and 0 1 minus 2. Again, let us first of all look at the orders of these matrices. Okay, so the order of first matrix is 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns, and order of the second matrix is 3 cross 2. So now, since the number of columns of the first matrix is same as the number of rows of the second matrix, these two matrices can be multiplied, and the final order of the two matrices when multiplied will be 2 cross 2, right? So let us write this also. There should be a matrix of order 2 cross 2 as our final answer, right? But what are the elements? So to find the elements, let us again start the same process. Let us take the first row and multiply it with the first column, and after multiplying the corresponding elements we need to add the result, right? So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is again 1, right? Let us take the first row but second column. So this time 2 is multiplied with 0, 0, 1 is multiplied with 1, plus 1, and minus 1 is multiplied with minus 2, which is again plus 2, right? Now what we do? Let us take the second row. So second row when multiplied with first column will give you 0 plus 1 plus 2, correct? And second row when multiplied with second column will give you 0 plus 1 plus 4. So overall your matrix will become 6 3 3 5. This is your final answer, and this is the final answer of the first part.